Hi everyone, Jen here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, we are going to make matcha latte tank top. This tank top is so simple. They made just from two rectangle and the blanket stitch. The blanket stitch, I have the video tutorial on YouTube. I will put the link in the description below, as well as the writing pattern on my blog. So let's get started. What you will need to make the matcha latte tank top is a crochet hook size 5mm and a cotton yarn and your fitting t-shirt. The t-shirt that you normally wear that fits you. Okay, let's get started. The tank top we will start with the chain 42. I will start with the slip knot first and then chain 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will go off the camera and meet you at chain 42. I am finished the chain 42 already, and we will skip 2 chain from the hook, 1, 2, and make 2 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochet in the third chain. 1 double and 2 double. After this, we skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. 1, 2, and then this in the next stitch is a single crochet, and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch. And then we skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch again. 1 single and 2 double crochet. And we will repeat this. Skip 2 stitch and make 1 single and 2 double in the next stitch all along until the end of the row. I will go off the camera and do it, and we meet you at the end of the row here. Now I am at the end of the row. We have 3 stitches left, 1, 2, 3. On the last stitch, be making a single crochet and chain 2, 1, 2. Turn your work, and we will start on row 2 of the blanket stitch. This one, single crochet from the previous row. Make 2 double crochet, 1 double and 2 double. And now we will skip 2 stitch, 1 2, and make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet all in the same stitch again. And then skip 2 stitch, 1 2, and make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 single and 2 double. We will repeat doing this until the end of the row. I will meet you at the end of row 2. Now I am at the end of row 2. We will see the chain 2 space from the previous row. We make single crochet in here. And we finish row 2 already, and then we chain 2, turn your work, and we will repeat row 2 until we have the piece of rectangle like this. Here. Here I measure up the piece is 16 wide and 12 inch on this way, 12 inch, and this way 16. We make 2 pieces of this one the same, and we will start on to do the front panel. After we finish 2 pieces of rectangle like this, and we will start to do on the front panel. This one, and we will when you measure up the length, for this length is 16 inch, and we will on the Y in here, on the 16 inch Y, we will do the single crochet for 3 rows. Single crochet here. We will do the single crochet on each space, but if some space like they have a big space, you can make 2 single crochet. This one, 1 single crochet, 1 and 1 single crochet. If you see the big space, maybe you do 2 single crochet. We will keep doing this single crochet on each space, but if you see some space is too big, you can put 2 single crochet. I will meet you at the end of the row here. Now I am at the end of the row of the single crochet that we just made. And then we chain 1, turn your work, and we do the single crochet for another 2 rows. So basically we made a single crochet for 3 rows for this one. I will go off the camera and meet you and when I finish 3 rows of the single crochet. Now I'm finished single crochet for 3 rows already, and then we're gonna chain 2 and turn your work. And we will start to add last row stitch here. Then we will double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the next stitch, and then chain 1, double crochet and then skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. We will continue doing this until the end of the row. I will meet you at the end of the row here. Now we are at the end of the row for the last stitch row. We will make double crochet in the last stitch and then chain 2, turn your work, and then we are double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and then you see the chain space from the previous row here. We will make a double crochet in this space and then chain 1 and make double crochet on the chain space here, and then chain 1 and make double crochet on the chain space here. We will keep doing this until the end of the row. I will meet you at the end of the row here. Now I am at the end of the last stitch row here, and you will see the chain 2 space. We will make a double crochet and then chain 2, turn your work, and we will repeat row 2 of the last stitch row here by the double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1 and double crochet in the chain space. All along we will doing this last stitch until we have the length here. The length here. Hi, I just finished the back panel. I do the single crochet row all the way to match the front panel here. The length, 2 of them will be matching together. So it's now we are going to assemble together for the tank top. Hi, this will be the front panel that I crochet the last row to matching my t-shirt, the length to match my t-shirt, and my second panel is the back panel. I do the same, but this one will be the single crochet row after row until you matching the front panel here. And now we'll be ready to assemble. The assemble will be very easy. Use the yarn needle and we will use the marker. So we lay the front and back panel on top of each other, and we will mark the neck, the open neck. I think I will be about maybe 8 inch. This one 8 inch. This one will not be sewing because it will be open neck, and this one on the right hand side and on the left hand side will be sewing to create the shoulder, and the armhole will be around here, 5 to 6 inch. And this one will be not sewing, and this one will be sew along. I will go off the camera and finish sewing and show you the finished piece. Now I finally finished sewing the tank top. Here is armhole, both sides, and the neck and the shoulder, and that's all we finished for matcha latte tank top. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.